One of the most dangerous construction operations is excavation and trenching. This safety video highlights key aspects and describes safe work practices, providing workers with effective protection against hazards such as cave-ins and other hazards. OSHA defines an excavation as any man-made cut, cavity, trench or depression in the Earth's surface was formed by earth removal. A trench is a narrow excavation made below the ground surface. A trench has a deeper depth than its width, but its width cannot exceed 15 feet. The minimum requirements as set forth in 29 CFR 1926 construction excavation standards by OSHA must be reviewed thoroughly by those responsible for enforcement, administration, monitoring, and implementation prior to commencement of any work task involving excavation. It is the responsibility of the competent person overseeing the trenching or excavation project to obtain and complete the excavation permit form, reaching out to utility companies or owners, establishing proper barricades and assessing the situation. All workers involved in trenching and excavation work face serious hazards. Employers must ensure that workers enter trenches only after adequate protections are in place to address cave-in hazards. A stairway, ladder, ramp, or other safe means of egress must be located in trench excavations that are 4 feet or more in depth so as to require no more than 25 feet of lateral travel for employees. Employees exposed to public vehicular traffic must be provided with and wear warning vests or other suitable garments marked with or made of reflectorized or high-visibility material. In excavations 4 feet or greater, provide means of access and egress not to exceed 25 feet from workers. A competent person must collect an air sample before and during occupancy to ensure the excavations contain adequate oxygen and toxic contaminants have been diluted to safe levels. It is necessary to test the atmosphere in excavations deeper than 4 feet in areas where hazardous substances are stored nearby. In order to adequately protect employees, the following precautions must be taken. Support or shield systems, controlling accumulating water by water removal and lifelines or safety harnesses. Where employees or equipment are required to cross over excavations over 6 feet in depth and wider than 30 inches, walkways or bridges with standard guardrails must be provided. Type A, soil is dense, heavy, and primarily composed of clay and the most stable type of soil. Silt, sandy loam, and medium clay make up Type B soils, which have a medium level of stability. The least stable soil is Type C, which is composed of gravel, loamy sand, and soft clay. Benching is a method of protecting workers from cave-ins by excavating the sides of an excavation to form one, or a series of horizontal levels or steps. Sloping is cutting back the trench wall at an angle inclined away from the excavation. Shoring requires installing aluminum hydraulic or other types of supports to prevent soil movement in cave-ins. Shielding protects workers by using trench boxes or other types of supports to prevent soil cave-ins. Shields must be used to protect against water accumulation. This concludes another CMS safety video. Please like and subscribe for updates.